Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to translate WooCommerce into another language using the Loco Translate WordPress plugin. If you're running an online store and want to reach customers who speak different languages, this is an incredibly useful feature that can help you expand your business globally. Let's dive right in and get your WooCommerce store ready for international audiences. First things first, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is essential for the translation process to work properly. Once you're logged in, we'll start by installing the Loco Translate plugin. Look to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory where you can browse and install new tools for your site. From the plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top and type in Translate from the search results that appear. Look for Loco Translate. When you find it, click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This step is helpful if you want to familiarize yourself with what the plugin offers before committing to the installation. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a while to finish, so be patient and don't navigate away from the page. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Once your page refreshes, you'll notice a new option has been added to your left navigation menu. This is the Loco Translate section, which is now ready to use. From here, click on Loco Translate and an expanded menu will appear showing you different translation options. From this expanded menu, click on Plugins. This will bring up a list of all the plugins installed on your site that can be translated. Now, under the plugins list, click on WooCommerce. This is the plugin we want to translate for your store. From here, look for the option that says New Language, usually marked with a plus sign, and click on it. This is where you'll select which language you want to translate WooCommerce into. Simply choose your desired language from the drop-down menu that appears. You'll notice that as you select the language, the URL for your site changes to reflect the language code. This is completely normal and indicates that the system is preparing for translation. Once you've selected the language, click on Start Translating to commence with the WooCommerce translation process. And that's it. You've successfully set up Loco Translate and begun translating WooCommerce into another language, making your store accessible to a whole new audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.